currently May 1st, 2025. In the next 60 seconds, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make money online before summer 2025 with minimal effort. If you have a little bit of work ethic, you can do this. First, go to ChatGPT and type in, what are the top 5 insecurities men and women deal with regarding their physical aesthetic? And it's going to show you what exactly men are worried about. Men are worried about muscles, hair loss, height, body fat, and skin. Women are worried about weight, skin, body, hair, facial features. Next, pick any one that you think is good. I'm just gonna go with number 2, men's insecurity of hair loss. And I'm gonna say, let's analyze number 2. What are 3 points of emphasis for this point? So now it's gonna show me the points of emphasis for men who are, nervous about losing their hair, and it's gonna show you exactly why. We're gonna go to callodata.com right here. We're gonna click this first one. Callodata is a platform that tracks all of the revenue on TikTok Shop. So anything selling on exclusively TikTok Shop, it'll track exactly how much money it's making month over month. You can see inside of Callodata, these are all, different categories on TikTok Shop, and it's telling you exactly how much revenue it's generating in the last 30 days. Now remember, because we went to AI and it told us that one of the problems that men are insecure about is losing hair growth, or losing their hair, now we know exactly what to go after. So now we're gonna go on Callodata and we're gonna find a product that's selling on TikTok Shop that solves that problem. Like you can see here, this is a liquid multivitamin hair growth doing $796,000 in the last 30 days. Then if we go to AliExpress, we can find a product that serves this same problem that's a little bit different. It's not the same exact product because we can't copy this. This is a brand, but we can find a product that serves the same problem, which is this right here with over 121 reviews. Remember, we will never, ever source products from AliExpress. I've made 100 videos about it. If you don't know how to fulfill orders, check my page. Let's continue. So now we have a problem that customers are dealing with, which is hair loss. We have a product that we know can solve it. Now we need to figure out exactly how to get this in front of customers. Now remember, Callodata, the platform that I showed you right here, this is only on TikTok Shop, which means that all the customers that are on Instagram and Facebook aren't able to see that. Sure, some of them have both platforms, whatever. But for the most part, Instagram and Facebook customers are not able to see that. This is where we swoop in for the bag. What you need to do is you need to build out a quick one-page Shopify website. If you don't know how to do it, here's a video right there, step-by-step, 42 minutes. I made that. It'll show you exactly how to do it. Boom. Now, look at this. We have a full Shopify store all built out for our product that is targeting hair growth. And because we're able to bundle it, we can sell it for $99. And you can see here, we can get it for pretty cheap. This is the best part. With Callodata, you can see exactly what videos are generating the sales. So this video right here did 54K. This video right here did 45K, et cetera, et cetera. So now all you need to do is recreate or restructure with different clipping styles those videos for your product. So then you take those videos, you put them on Instagram and Facebook, just like that. Just like that, you are now able, you just built a business just like that because you put a product in front of people that people are already buying and you showed it to a new audience because you put it on a new platform. Because the product is already validated because we know men and women deal with the insecurity of hair loss. AI told us that. We know that $800,000 a month is being made on TikTok Shop buying these hair growth products. All we did was put it on Shopify and show customers on Instagram and Facebook. And the fucking videos are already there, so we know exactly how to make the ads. That's it, bro. That's the play.